What does Dad think he's doing down here? Oi, Dad! What are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be helping Mum? Dad, you want to go play with the patrol?
Yeah, let's go do it, but don't tell Mum, alright? G'day! How you going? Welcome to part 6. You can smile, Riley. Yeah, see how we go today in the build? Throwing the engine in is our main job, and if we can get any other small tasks done at the same time, bonus. Righto, let's get into it.
Yep.
Let's start off by getting it into the shed. Can you steer it for me?
Yeah.
Alright. Where's the big fella? Oi! You gonna push it?
Yep.
Good work, mate. What do you think about driving the old girl in?
Awesome. Dirty thumbs up.
Well, give us a dirty thumbs up. Yeah, boy. There we have it. Thrust bearing sorted out. The front of the transmission cleaned up. The exhaust cleaned up, ready for a new gasket. From memory, I think we may have to take the front wheels off. But we'll jack it up and do a test first. Come on, buddy. Haha. I think we've struck it. It's good to go. Leave it there, mate. Righto, we'll push it in. Ready?
Yeah.
How's that looking?
Pretty good.
Alright. Bloody wicked, mate. High five. Where are ya? Yeah. Whew. Jack up a bit. Just a little bit more. How you going, dude? You getting it in there?
Just trying to fit it in.
Righto. Might take those bolts back out and we'll have to reposition it. Happy with that, dude?
Yeah.
Lunchtime. Whew. What do you reckon? Pub?
Yeah.
Righto. Hey, mate. I think we better get a few more jobs done before we go down to the pub. Engine mounts. I'll get stuck into the fuel tank because we want to give that a clean out. Get you to throw the power steering on and whatever other big bits and pieces. Cool with that?
Yep.
Righto. Alright, I think I'm going to have to take the tow bar off before I can get to that fuel tank. Looks like it's in the way. What have we got here? Hey! Champs! What have we got? Mail time! How cool are your little shirts? Righto, what do you got in there, Corey? You open it up. Macy, open up that box. Looks like you're ready to crack. Let's see what we've got. Okay, you got the boxes open. What do you got there, sweetie?
Something for the clutch.
Something for the clutch. And what do you got there, big little fella?
A fuel filter.
Fuel filter. Ah, what are we going to give Dazza?
A dirty thumbs up.
A big dirty thumbs up, Daz. How you going, buddy?
Good.
Good. All tightened up yet?
No.
Okay, go. Yep, that's it. Tap it out. Okay. That one there? Here. Stop. You got it? You got it, mate? Ah. Righto, big fella. Pick it out. Pick it up. Ah. Wow, look at you go. Okay, undo it. Corey, can you go get the drain tray for me, mate?
Okay.
Going the right way, not the clicky way. You're undoing it. That's it. The drain tray. Watch your eyes. Let it down, Mace. Let it down. Oh no, your shirt got dirty. Right, Corey, take that out.
Is this the fuel thing?
That's the fuel tank.
Am I gonna get wet?
I hope not.
It's dirty.
Okay, let's drain it. You put it under for us? Where's the drain hole?
You're going past it.
In the right spot? Over here. Bring it back over this side. Great teamwork. Put it over by the engine stand here, engine crane. That's the go. So we'll pull that out and give it a clean out. Let's go see what the big fella's up to. What are you doing up here, mate?
The bell housing.
Don't worry about the exhaust at the moment. We might have to change out that flexi joint. What are you eating, dirt?
Yeah.
What are you up to now, dude?
Taking this off.
What's it for?
That's it all.
There's a little screen in there that we're going to clean out.
Yes.
We'll show you when we get it there. Then we're going to replace the fuel filter and we'll blow out all those fuel lines. Well, there's no gauze in there. So, next stage there, mate, fuel lines.
Yes.
Righto, sweetie. Why'd we turn the fuel filter upside down for?
So we can turn the fuel filter easier.
Haha, good work. Righto. Pull, pull, pull. Ah, there we go. Go again. Ah, good work. Okay, we'll stop there before we spill it everywhere. That's it. Yeah. Thin smear. Okay, rubbing your finger around it. That's it. And then screw it onto here.
How dirty is making cakes? How dirty is making cakes out, man? How dirty is making cakes?
That's it. Good work. And what have we got going on here? What's the podgy bar in there for?
To line it up.
To line it up, eh? All right then. You see what you're doing, mate? Righto. They tight. Don't snap it off now. Those big guns.
Not
Grab the starter motor out. Pass it down to Corey. Oh, Tevy, careful. Put him on the ground. Oh, you old person. Get them both out. Which one are we going to use? The clean one?
Yep.
Why?
Because
Because
it looks more cleaner.
it looks more cleaner. Alright.
Because that one looks more dirtier.
Yeah. Okay, let's go bang it in.
Yeah.
Go. What are you changing out?
this one.
This one.
Yes.
The master.
Yes, the master.
The clutch master cylinder. Good work, man.
Daddy in here.
Dad.
Yep. Do them up, mate. Do the other one up. Oh, lucky you got your glasses on. Good work. Well done. Third up. Give us a thumbs up.
Take one.
We've all had enough. That's a big day. 30 thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. If you feel like it, subscribe. Otherwise, take it easy. Say see ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See you guys.